I was scrolling on YouTube and it was later at night and all of a sudden I just found myself watching Jake Paul challenge videos. That's a thing and it happened. Hey everyone, so today I have a fun unboxing video and this is going to be from a company called SIPS by Tea. And they did send me these, but I am going to give you guys my honest little reviews. And obviously I haven't tried these yet because this is going to be an unboxing, but I have two of them. I have the February and the January as well. So I just want to show you guys these and kind of talk about them a little bit, and maybe you guys are interested in something like this. So I think it's super cool and we're going to get started. SIPS by Tea is a really cool monthly subscription box that you get selected teas and you can choose unsweetened or sweetened. And I'm actually going to be adding some of these to iced tea because I think that'll taste really good, like doing an iced tea, because I love that. So I'm going to be trying these and being very open to these kind of teas throughout the coming months, and this is going to be really fun, and I think it's a super cool thing that maybe you guys will really enjoy. So yeah, I'm just going to show you guys what I got in these boxes, and it's really fun. This is the February box, and the packaging is very cute. Let me just say it has like little tea leaves and then little hearts on it, and it's really fun. So I just love when packaging is like super cute like that. It's very fun. And sorry if I say the word cute, I know a lot of people do, but like guys, it's cute. So inside, this is just what my card looks like, and on the back it says made for Allie, which I think is adorable as well because they knew who it was sending to. So if you order from this company, then I'm pretty sure it'll say her name, which is great, and then it shows the names of the teas. And I think this is a really great thing to do if you guys love tea. I am just starting to get into teas. Like I said, I really love sweet tea. So this is going to be kind of interesting because these are more like the hot teas, but you could add them to ice and water and then do iced tea as well. So I'm just going to talk about these teas. I don't really know how to explain these and talk about them, so yeah. These are from the Tea Spot, and this is a Meditative Mind, and it is whole leaf white tea. So it just says tasting notes, a blend of pure white tea, rosebuds with jasmine pearl, and an aroma experience that sharpens the mind and arouses the senses. Wow, that's pretty descriptive there. So yeah, that's just what these little packets look like. The next packets are from Tea Pigs, and it's just a fruit and herbal infusion with natural flavoring. So it just looks like this. Has like this little sketch drawing of a woman right on the front. This is a Nepal breakfast tea, and I've never tried breakfast tea. Like I said, I'm just now getting into tea, so this is going to be kind of interesting. Has a cute little sketch on the front. I love packaging. I'm kind of a sucker for things like that, so I think that's fun. Each month you also get a fun little drawstring bag that just says SIPS by Tea. It's a sticker label, so you guys could reuse this if you wanted to. And inside here are the little tea bags that you're just going to be putting in with your tea. And it just says SIPS by, and it's just super adorable. The last thing that is in this box is just these packets of green tea, and this is raspberry and pomegranate. It just says fine green tea perfectly complemented by the refreshing flavor of pomegranate and raspberries. And all you have to do with these is just add the boiling water and infuse the tea, which is why I said that it would be really fun to do iced tea, because I think this would be perfect for doing iced tea for, so I'm going to be trying that out. The reason why I'm showing January with February is because the January came basically into the month of February, and the February came like in the middle of February. So the January box came a little bit later. I think it's just because of like when I ordered it, and it also had to do with like the New Year's and the holidays and everything. And I'm just now starting to film more videos. So this is the little January card. It says made by Allie. It lists all the teas on the back, which is really great. So I'm going to show you guys what I got in here. Again, it has another little drawstring bag. It says SIPS by. Obviously you could take off the label if you wanted to reuse this bag. This is the Wild Thai Green Organic Tea, and it comes in like a really nice like bigger packaging, and I don't know how to pronounce this name, but it looks really nice, and I think this is like more of like a loose leaf tea, so that's pretty cool as well. This is the Hardy & Sons Organic Rooibos Tea. I really hope I'm pronouncing these names right, but if I'm not, then I'm sorry. But I've never really tried a lot of teas, so I'm super new to this. Looks like this, very sleek and nice. I'm like explaining the packaging kind of like I am with like makeup, but that's sort of like what I do, I guess, so cool. I also got a little 3-leaf mint matcha, and that's really fun to try. The last thing I got are the pine oolong, and they just look like this. And this looks like kind of the standard tea that I've seen at like hotels and different places, but I'm very eager to try all of these out, and let me know what you guys think and what your opinions are, and if you would try this. And if you guys want to try these teas out and this monthly subscription box, I'll have the links down below. I'm not getting paid to say any of this, but they did kindly send me these products to try out, so it's going to be really fun. So anyways, I think it'll be really cool, and I'll probably have a couple more of these coming up in the next few months or something, so like let me know if you would want to see these or not, because I can do them for my channel, and maybe I can try some of this tea in another video or on my vlog channel. I also want to talk about 3 makeup products, and there's this really cool website that's for influencers. So if you're an Instagrammer or if you make YouTube videos, then you guys can try products for free and give your reviews. You can post them on your Instagram or your YouTube. It depends on like your following and stuff, but I post mine on my YouTube videos. And so I just got these 3 products I want to show you guys. So the first one is a Real Techniques brush, and this looks like those Artiste brushes. I actually have an Artiste looking brush that I use for foundation, but this one's more of like an eyeshadow brush. So it's super, super cool. Like I said, it's by Real Techniques, so it's pretty affordable, but it is a very nice brush, and it's very super soft, which I love. So it's just a cute little fun mini brush, which I think is great. And then I also have this Clarins Double Serum, and this is just really great for your skin. But I did just get this, so I wanted to tell you guys about it, and it's just the Clarins Double Serum. I've used products by Clarins before, and they're really nice. And then the last thing I have is by Urban Decay, and this is the Primer Potion. This is the one with the newer packaging because I used to have the one with the older packaging. But I do really like it because it has a doe foot applicator, which I think is really nice. I used to have the old Urban Decay Primer Potion with the older packaging, and I think it's going to be so much easier to apply now because I've been using this a little bit, and it has a super nice applicator, which I love. And sometimes I just put eye primer on and not even eyeshadow, and just gives a little bit of color because this gives like a nice kind of like beige toned color, very neutral and simple. So I really like this, and I think it's awesome. So I'm going to have those products linked down below for you guys, as well as the SIPS by Tea, and I highly recommend them. And that is going to be it for today's video. I feel like I'm talking so fast, but that's because I'm not sure like the memory on my camera card. What am I even saying? Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much, and let me know what other videos I should do for unboxings if you would like to see them in the future. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!